A bomb blast on November 21, 2012 left reporter Kiran Khan injured, but did not destroy her deep passion for journalism.
My father told me to stop. He told me that I achieved my goal to be a journalist, but it's time to stop. I asked him, "Do you really think your daughter is that weak?" He has never asked me to stop my work after hearing that.
Khan is currently working as a bureau chief, but says she's always been under immense pressure as a professional journalist.
I've always gotten threats, so you have to manage that pressure. Then there is pressure from family of why I'm covering specific beats. And then work pressure. We have to cover stories on time and be accurate. So your passion gets tested when all those pressures hit you at once. But you continue working.
Ikra Beg got into journalism in 2011, hoping to become a political reporter. She currently covers cultural and entertainment stories.
अच्छा मेकअप करके आए प्रेजेंटेबल लुक हो तो शायद आपको कोई ना कोई जगह मिल जाए.
I used to be told to dress a certain way, wear good makeup, be extra presentable, and maybe I would get a job in this field despite having a degree. But I stuck around and didn't give up. I am now on my 4th agency and people continue to like my work.
Khan and Beg have honed their journalistic skills through nearly a decade in the industry. Manya Shakil, on the other hand, is just getting started. She says her goal is to change the perception that women can't be credible journalists.
Women are often seen as women first and then journalists. Unfortunately, we have to start by convincing the masses that women can run around in hot weather and chase stories. Women can stand near a bomb blast and still do a live report, and that women are not weak.
Despite all challenges, the handful of female journalists in Pakistan are doing everything they can to succeed in their country's male-dominated media industry, one story at a time. For Sidra Dar in Karachi, Pakistan, Bejan Hamdard, VOA News.